Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have a small slight risk area today that encompasses north central Montana. And there's really only one city included in the slight risk today, and that's Lewistown, Montana. Okay, so there are 3 marginals today. One covers most of Nevada, western Utah, and northwestern Arizona. A second marginal today covers east central Oregon, parts of Idaho, far northwestern Wyoming, much of Montana, western North Dakota, and far northwestern South Dakota. And a third marginal today covers far southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, far northeastern Nebraska, most of Minnesota, the northern half of Iowa, all of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and most of Michigan. Cities in today's marginals include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Las Vegas, Nevada, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Henderson, Nevada. Going to the tornado threat for today. There is no tornado threat for today. There is no tornado threat. Now, I do, however, want to caution you because the past couple of days in the Mid-Atlantic, there are a couple of tornado warnings in the Mid-Atlantic, even though there is no tornado risk. Okay, so I can't roll one out completely, and it says less than 2%. It says less than 2% in all areas. So just because it says less than 2% doesn't necessarily mean, it's 0. It can be a 1% if it's below 2%. Okay? So again, you can't really roll a tornado out completely. Okay? Because again, on Monday and Tuesday, there were a couple of tornado warnings in the Mid-Atlantic, even though there is no risk area for a tornado. Okay? So anyway, going to the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers north central Montana. Cities in the 15%, well, there's only one city in the 15% wind risk today, and that's Lewistown, Montana. Alright? So, moving forward, there are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering most of Nevada, western Utah, and northwestern Arizona. A second 5% wind risk today covers east, central Oregon, parts of Idaho, most of Montana, far northwestern Wyoming, far northwestern South Dakota, and western North Dakota. And the third 5% wind risk area today encompasses far southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, far northeastern Nebraska, most of Minnesota, the northern half of Iowa, all of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and most of Michigan. The 5% wind risk areas today include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Las Vegas, Nevada, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Henderson, Nevada. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses far southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, far northeastern Nebraska, most of Minnesota, northern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, and much of Michigan. The 5% hail risk area today includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, St. Paul, Minnesota, Madison, Wisconsin, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorm gusts are possible across Montana this afternoon into the evening. Isolated severe thunderstorms may occur today across parts of the Great Basin and Upper Midwest and Great Lakes. So, that's the Day 1 Outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. You don't know what they can do sometimes, but especially be safe in the slight. And My day two outlook will come out this afternoon, where I'll be filling in for SPC Convective Outlook. Take care.